Track 1.48, Unit 5, Vocabulary, Exercise 1. 1,
PE,
2,
ICT,
3,
Maths,
4,
Chess,
5,
Art,
6,
Science,
7,
Geography,
8.
Drama.
Track 1.49, Unit 5, Vocabulary, Exercise 4.
Hi, Alan.
Hi, Jessica. Monday again.
Yeah, Monday's cool. I've got drama this afternoon. I love it.
Yeah? Well, it's not a good day for me. It will be rather stressful. We've got history today, and Mr. Parnell gives us a history test every Monday.
Oh, dear.
And Tuesday's lessons aren't great. We've got 2 maths classes. But I like Wednesday afternoons.
Why? What happens on Wednesday afternoons?
We've got science at 2 o'clock. It's my favourite subject. I think science is exciting. I've got it twice a week. Then I've got rugby practice after school. I'm really into sport and getting fit at the moment.
Really? What are you doing?
Well, I have rugby practice twice a week after school. That's Wednesday and Friday. Then we play matches 3 times a month on Saturday mornings. As well as playing rugby, we do general fitness training on other days.
So you train 4 times a week, is that right?
That's right.
Whew.
So, which is your favourite day then?
My favourite day's the same as your favourite day.
What's that?
Saturday, of course.